I made more than $3,000 with TikTok clipping last month, and in this video, I'm going to show you all the tips, tricks, and different tools you can use when it comes to TikTok clipping. And as you can see right here, this is one of the pages I built completely from scratch, and I'm coming up on almost 2 years on this page. I started this in February of 2024, and this page right here for the You Should Know podcast is another page I have built from scratch, which I started earlier this year, and the page is at 14,000 followers. So throughout this video, I'm going to walk you through the analytics, the earnings, different tools you can use for clipping, and how you can get started. So let's go through the analytics on the finance account. And as you can see right here, I have generated 3.6 million views. And for those of you that don't know what clipping is, essentially you take long form content off of YouTube and you post it into short form clips on TikTok. And then once you hit 10K followers on TikTok, then TikTok will pay you per 1,000 views. And that can range from 20 cents all the way up to $1. And it's really worth it. As you could tell with me making over $3,000 last month, this side hustle is really legit. I've been averaging 2K plus per month for the last 4 or 5 months now. So on this finance account, as I said, over 3 million views generated and over 100,000 likes, 2,000 comments. I'm going to go to the earnings tab and I'll show you guys exactly what I made this month on this finance account. So in the last 30 days on the account in the TikTok Creator Fund, I made $2,732.86. And this is up 118% from the previous month. So I can't complain at all. The TikTok algorithm really can be hit or miss. Certain months I get a lot more views, certain months not as many views. But the hardest part with starting this side hustle is getting to 10,000 followers. And I grinded these accounts from scratch. That's the best way, but it's going to take so much time. It took me 3 months for me. It could take longer for others, shorter. But something else you could potentially do is buy a TikTok account to where you don't have to deal with that and you already have the amount of followers. And a website that's actually trusted to where you could buy a TikTok account from is FameSwap. And essentially you can buy TikTok accounts with a lot of different followers. I'll have it linked down below so you can check it out. But as you can see, you can have a TikTok account type specifically, and then you can pick what kind of audience size you want. Let's just say 10 to 50K followers. And as you can see, there's an account for $100. Some accounts are more like $1,000. This really depends on the amount of followers you want to get, $115. So this is a website you can check out if you're wanting to buy an account. If this video gets at least 100 likes, then I'll buy a TikTok account for myself through this website, and I'll walk you guys through the entire process. I came across this from other videos I've seen. So if you're interested in seeing me buy a TikTok account to try out clipping, then let me know down below in the comments. So as I've been saying, for the finance account, I clip Caleb Hammer, and this other clipping account I built is for the You Should Know podcast. And essentially they're both long form podcasts, and that's something you really want to try to aim for, because for podcasts you're going to have a lot more options to clip for, more moments. And so when clipping these moments, you can do everything manually if you already watch these podcasts by screen recording on your phone or on your PC, or there's different tools you can use. There's a free option, there's a paid for option. And so the first option that costs money is Opus Pro, which I use for a ton of clips. And right now it's 50% off if you get the yearly bundle. And there's also a free trial if you're interested in using it and seeing it, but it will have a watermark on the clip. So I'll have that link down below. And as you can see, there's a ton of different clips I have used for the finance clipping account, as you can see right here. And a lot of them have done pretty well. And essentially with Opus Pro, you can copy and paste the YouTube link into here, and it will generate you 40 plus clips from that one long form video, which saves you a lot of time. But if you want to do manual clipping, you can also do that. If you have a specific 2-minute clip in here, you could throw that in here and then just get captions. And a free tool you can use is Rekka AI. And essentially it's the same as Opus Pro. You copy and paste your YouTube video URL into here, or you can upload a raw file from your PC and it will generate the best clips from here, and you can customize your video with captions and stuff like that. This is a startup clipping company right here, but there's a ton of potential to come, and there is a studio that is coming to Rekka soon that is in development, so stay tuned because Rekka is going to be on the come up for when it comes to clipping. Now I'm in the studio for the You Should Know podcast clipping account, and in the last 28 days it has generated 2 million views, 51,000 profile views, over 100,000 likes, a lot of comments, a lot of shares. And it does take a lot of skill to generate this amount of views on a clipping account. And the most important part is, again, finding the best moments that will go viral. And you can use that with Opus, with Rekka, and with manual watching the clips, with knowing what will perform well and what doesn't. And so I've had a lot of success on the You Should Know podcast account, and I can't get the earnings up here on the PC for some reason, so I'm going to have it here on the screen. And I made around $300, so that brings the total for the month of November to about $3,030 with both accounts. Now, keep in mind, about 25 to 30% needs to be set aside for taxes, but still, after taxes, that is about $2,300, and I can't complain at all just for making and posting clips from my PC, from my phone, and really anyone can do this. It really just takes a lot of consistency, discipline, and anyone can do this. It really just takes time. And if any of you have any questions or want to learn more about clipping, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I also have a free Discord community that I will have linked down below where we all can give free value to one another. So make sure you join that if you want help with any clipping, and I'd love to help any of you out. So that's the total recap with TikTok clipping earnings in November. And if any of y'all want any other clipping videos done with more tips and tricks, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and I'll see you in the next video.